Barack Obama was elected the 44th President of the United States in 2008. He was the first African American to be elected to the presidency, and his election was a historic moment for the country. Obama made healthcare reform a top priority of his presidency, and he worked to pass the Affordable Care Act, ACA, in 2010. The ACA has had a significant impact on the nation's healthcare system and access to healthcare. The road to healthcare reform. Obama's pursuit of affordable care. Obama campaigned on a promise to reform the healthcare system, and he made it a top priority of his presidency. He assembled a team of experts to develop a plan, and he worked to build support for the plan in Congress. The ACA was passed in 2010 after a long and difficult battle. The Affordable Care Act. Key provisions and implications for Americans. The ACA has many key provisions, including individual mandate. The ACA requires most Americans to have health insurance or pay a penalty. Employer mandate. The ACA requires most employers with 50 or more employees to offer health insurance to their employees. Health insurance exchanges. The ACA created health insurance exchanges where individuals and small businesses can shop for and purchase health insurance. Medicaid expansion. The ACA expanded Medicaid eligibility to millions of low-income Americans. The ACA has had a significant impact on the nation's healthcare system. The number of uninsured Americans has decreased by millions, and the cost of health insurance has slowed down. The ACA has also made it easier for people with pre-existing conditions to get health insurance. Expansion of health coverage. Assessing the impact of the ACA. The ACA has expanded health coverage to millions of Americans. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, the uninsured rate in the United States fell from 16.3% in 2010 to 8.8% in 2016. This means that millions of Americans now have health insurance that they did not have before the ACA was passed. The ACA has also made it easier for people with pre-existing conditions to get health insurance. Before the ACA, people with pre-existing conditions could be denied health insurance or charged higher premiums. The ACA prohibits insurance companies from denying coverage or charging higher premiums to people with pre-existing conditions. Healthcare debate and political challenges. Navigating the path to reform. The ACA has been a controversial law since it was passed. Republicans have repeatedly tried to repeal the ACA, and they have made some changes to the law through the courts. The future of the ACA is uncertain, but it has had a lasting impact on the nation's healthcare system. Obama's legacy. Healthcare transformation and the future of the ACA. Barack Obama's legacy on healthcare is significant. He passed the ACA, which has expanded health coverage to millions of Americans and made it easier for people with pre-existing conditions to get health insurance. The ACA has been a controversial law, but it has had a lasting impact on the nation's healthcare system. Barack Obama was a historic president who made healthcare reform a top priority. He passed the ACA, which has had a significant impact on the nation's healthcare system. The ACA is a controversial law, but it has made health insurance more accessible to millions of Americans.